the biggest update of Facebook in 2024 for monetization. So hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So you have got this information or this email also into many Facebook creators, Facebook content creators. They have got the email for new Facebook page monetization policies. So till now the Facebook page monetization criteria is something 5,000 followers and under 90 days you have to complete some watch hours also. So the update for now is this is the biggest update of Facebook for monetization. So the update is now you don't need to do this anything. You don't have to follow this criteria 5,000 followers or any active watch counts. So now you can simply click on one button and then Facebook will review your Facebook page, and they will directly give this feature of in-stream ads in your Facebook videos or your Facebook page contents. So now you can easily upload your reels or content in Facebook page and you can earn money from Facebook also. So what is this update? How can you use this? How can you enable in-stream ads feature in your Facebook page? This I'm gonna teach you in my today's video. So all the information you'll get about this update, and trust me, this is the best update of Facebook. And in YouTube also, you may know that you have to follow some criteria to apply for YouTube monetization and earn through YouTube. So same for Facebook also, this criteria is eligible till now, but from today or tomorrow after this launch of this update, now your Facebook page can easily earn money from your content after you enable this in-stream ads into your Facebook page video. So before we get started, so keep watching this video till end, and if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like. So without wasting any time, let's talk about update. So guys, to enable in-stream ads in your Facebook page videos, now just you have to do is to update your Facebook application. Just go to your Play Store and first of all update your Facebook application, and after you update your Facebook app, just open it in your mobile phone, or if you are using any iPhone or PC also, simply open your Facebook page your Facebook application and move into your Facebook page, and just you have to click on this three lines icon. And after you click on three lines icon, then you can see here is one professional dashboard. So simply you have to click on professional dashboard, and after you click on here professional dashboard, then you have to swipe up here at the top right, just swipe up and you have to go to monetization. Yes, and after you click on this monetization tab, when you click on monetization tab, then now you can see here are so many options: bonus, stars, subscriptions, and the main in-stream ads. So what you have to do is just you have to click on in-stream ads. So now guys, when you click on this in-stream ads after this update of Facebook, so then now the interface will look like this. So you can see here, now you have to not follow any criteria that 5,000 hour watch time or followers. You don't need to complete that. Just what you have to do to enable this feature into your Facebook page videos, you can see here guys, here is one option of I am interested and I am not interested. So just you have to click on yes I am interested, and after you click on yes I am interested, then you have to click on submit button. And after you click on submit button, then Facebook team will review your Facebook page. They will get your Facebook page notification of this I am interested, and after they review your Facebook page, if they think your Facebook page is eligible for earning money, then they will enable this in-stream ads feature into your Facebook page videos, and you can easily get this feature. So till now this I am interested feature is only available for bonus, stars and that subscriptions, but from today this I am interested feature will also enable in-stream ads in your Facebook page videos, and you can easily earn money from Facebook page videos. So if you want to do YouTube, you can do YouTube. If you want to earn from Facebook, now you can easily earn from Facebook too. So this is the update guys, this is the best update from Facebook to Facebook page creators. So you have to enable this I am interested, and you have to do all this. So to know more about this update, you can simply click on description link and you will visit Facebook official website, and you can easily know all the other details and all the information about this new update. So this is the best update. So I hope you like this update. Now you can easily earn money from Facebook, from your Facebook page videos which you upload. And guys, there are many terms and conditions also. You can also read that all terms and conditions from this given link. So I hope you like this update, and if you like my video, then please share, subscribe and like. So this was for today. Bye bye guys.